Welcome back.
We are at the famous Frankenstein Castle. What's up, guys? Today we fly along the Hessische Bergstrassse, Germany, and visit 3 castles. From the Burg Frankenstein we continue to the Alsbacher Schloss and end with the Auerbacher Schloss. By the courtesy of the German embassy, who did not issue a visa for Nann to go to Germany, I am Odin, alone today. Frankenstein Castle is located 13 kilometers south of Darmstadt, or 45 kilometers south of Frankfurt. Frankenstein Castle has become internationally famous due to the motive of the theme first told by the Englishwoman Mary Shelley, which has been varied many times in literature and film. In her book Frankenstein, or The Modern Prometheus, published in 1818, she has Dr. Victor Frankenstein create an artificial human being. This creature becomes a monster and a synonym for horror par excellence. If you like this video, let me know by leaving a like and a comment. If you want to see more, just subscribe and activate all notifications. It's free and you will find us again easy. Now we are at the Alsbach Castle. The Alsbach Castle was built in 1235 by the lords of Bickenbach on the 257-meter high hill above the village of Alsbach. The Mellibucus is the highest mountain in this area. Here we are at the Auerbach Castle. The Auerbach Castle is located above Bensheim-Auerbach on one of the western foothills of the Odenwald. In the 13th century, the Counts of Katzenelnbogen built the castle to control the Bergstrasse trade route. All the castles we visited today had no entrance fee. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching. and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.